So employers are required to provide workers' comp for all employees. That's all employees, whether they're in the office, out in the field, in their homes working. The workers' comp covers everything the same across all policies and all carriers. What's different are the rates that are charged based on the payroll, the industry, the number of employees per class code within that industry. So those all dictate what the rates are going to be based on which carrier takes the coverage for the employer. In California, they created a new class code for telecommuting, and you have to be at home working or in a remote workplace 50% of the time or more. If you are coming into the office for working, then you're still going to be an office employer or whichever one that you are. Otherwise, you'll be in the new class code, which is a very inexpensive rate. And it will still cover all the employees as they're working remotely. It's been a really difficult thing for employers to make sure that all of their employees are set up ergonomically for the remote work. And that includes cords that are not in the way of tripping, where they're sitting, how they're sitting, how their keyboard is. So some employers have gone to the point of even hiring ergonomic consultants that will either set it up with them physically or we'll do it remotely over a video and do the whole thing and make sure they're set up correctly. When it comes to a claim at somebody's house, or let's say they've decided to work out of Starbucks remotely or the local cafe and they slip and fall, it's going to be hard to see where that's going to fall. It's going to fall on a claim at that location of the restaurant. Is it going to be able to be under workers' comp? How is that gonna the play out? So there'll be a lot more investigation depending on how severe the injury really ends up being. And so you can make that claim, valid or not, and then it's up to the carrier to decide whether the claim is valid through their inspections, investigations, as well as doctor's reports and others. Sometimes it involves an applicant attorney getting involved.